Coach Dan Hartley here in beautiful Asheville, North Carolina. Very excited to announce 2014 Revici River Ruckus. We're going to be hosting at the University of North Carolina Asheville campus. This event is going to be massive, spread out over 2 days. We're excited. April 26th, 27th, UNCA. We've got an Olympic-sized swimming pool. We've got an 8-lane competition track. A bunch of kettlebells, a bunch of bumper plates. There's going to be some sleds. There's going to be some prowlers. There might even be a wheelbarrow. Who knows? $5,000. We have $5,000 cash money. We got $5,000. We're expecting 100 plus teams, 150 plus individual competitors. We have $5,000 cash prize, $5,000. We have five, not four, not six, $5,000 on the line, cash money, top individual, top competitor. We're making it rain. We've got captured members of Al-Qaeda. I've got the Jamaican bobsled team here. I've got kettlebells, I've got bumpers, I've got prowlers, I've got sleds, I've got inflatable, wacky, flailing arm tube men. Colombian drug lords. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, be sure and comment and like below. I'd like to give a shout out to all of our sponsors, iWebExpert, the awesome guys putting this video series together. If you'll please check the information below, you'll see links to all of our title sponsors. Please give them your patronage. Without them, we couldn't put this event together. For more information, go to communityfitnessevents.com/riverruckus. We'll see you guys April 26th, 27th. So I think next time we should have a script prepared.